Today, I'll show you a new way to make money where you can earn $2 every 30 seconds just by watching video ads. So first, I'd like you to go to this website. This site costs nothing at all. You don't have to put any money into this to start. You can make money by watching ads and clicking on them on this site. So you can pretty much see it here. Most of the things you do online can make you extra cash. You can take surveys, finish offers, refer friends, enter contests, and do a lot more. But I want you to focus on watching ads and clicking on them, since you can make real money by clicking on different ads and going to different websites. Now, the site is very open about how they get paid. So you can see how much they won here. At the moment, this website has about 192,000 registered members and has paid out a total of $39,830.08. They even list the names of their members who have recently withdrawn money, as well as where they are from and how they paid. When you cash out your money, you can choose from a number of ways to get paid, such as Perfect Money, Payer ATM, and Faucet Pay, to name a few. So, I want you to tell me in the comments section below how you'd like to pay. I'll try to make videos about that. Now, I'll show you all the proof that you've paid. Many people have already cashed out their earnings. As you can see from the flags next to their usernames, they came from all over the world. And you can see the total amount paid here even if you haven't done this before. It can be done by anyone. And in the next section, I'll give you lots of examples of how to make more money. Now, all you have to do to make your free account is click on this button that says Register. That will take you to this page where you need to put in your full name, email, address, username, and password. Next, type in your birth year and place of birth. Tick. I'm not a robot. I agree to their terms of service, and all I need to do now is click Register. When you log into your account, the leaderboard will be the first thing you see. They will show you who made the most money. This is a good example. Here you can see his username, where he lives, and how much he has made so far, which is more than $1,500. All of these people are from different countries and can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. All they do is something you can do as well. Now, when you go to your account, you'll see a variety of ads you can click on. Banner ads are the most clicked on, but there are other types as well. If you click on one of these banner ads, you'll be taken to a different website. Stay on that site for 30 seconds. You don't have to sign up or buy anything. Now, most people who click on the banner ads and go to the website won't do anything else. They don't look at any other parts of the page. They just stay where they are. So make sure you don't do these things wrong, because they won't make any money from those ads in the end. So, I want you to look around the site. You need to look around because if you don't do anything, they'll think you're a robot and won't put any money into your account. That's why it's so important. After going to the website, you move around, scroll up and down, and stay there for a short time. Now, I think that once you've moved a little bit, you should just stay still for 5 to 10 seconds before you start moving again. By doing that, you can prove that you are a real person and not a robot. After 30 seconds, they will then add money to your account. Now you can just click on another banner ad when you're done with the first one. There are a lot of banner ads on this site that you can click on to start making money. The name of this site is Adaclicks.net, by the way. So before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you've liked it so far. If you thought this video was interesting and helpful, please leave a comment below. Now, watching daily promotion standard micro and exchange ads is another way to make money on this website. You can get paid to click on these ads and watch them for about 10 seconds. These people use this method to make more money. For example, if you click on this ad, you'll be sent to this random website where you'll have to prove you're not a robot. Again, all you have to do is stay here and scroll for at least 10 seconds. When the 10 seconds are up, you'll get paid, and you can do this again and again. Now, I'd like to give you a bonus tip that no one else has brought up. If you watch at least 5 daily ads every day, you can increase your income by 10 times, especially since you can unlock more standard ads that pay 10 times as much. Once you've clicked those 5 daily ads, you'll have to wait between 10 and 30 seconds, depending on the type of ad you clicked. Most of the time, the longer you wait, the more money you make. Now, if you find ads boring, you can choose to make money on this website by watching long-form content, like the YouTube videos you watch all at once every night. All you have to do is click on Earn Money up here and choose Daily Offers. That will bring you to this page where you can see all the offers you can take. So, this page has quizzes, videos, one-click apps, purchases, and surveys. Today though, we'll just watch videos because that's the easiest thing to do. And I know that most of us love to watch a lot of videos at once. Just click on Videos. After that, we'll land on this page where we can choose from these video categories. So, there are videos here about food, how to do things yourself, and random things. So use whichever one you prefer. If I choose, say, food, I'll be taken to this website. This site is a lot like YouTube in that you can watch different kinds of videos there. But this website will pay us just for watching videos, which is the only big difference. As you can see, you'll need to sign up for a free account to move forward. To do this, just type in your email address, make up a password, and click Sign Up. After making a good account, you'll be taken to this page where you can watch all of the food videos. You can watch as many videos as you want on this site. Now, if I click this one, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to make money. This is a bonus tip on how to make the most money possible. You can watch as many videos as you want at the same time on different tabs. So you can watch a lot of videos while doing other things at the same time. So you'll be able to make the most money with the least amount of work and time. You can also watch more videos by clicking on the videos on the right. To save data, you can also click on the video settings and lower the quality of the video. I want you to set it to the lowest quality video you can, so you can watch as many 60-second videos as possible while making as much money as possible. You can use these bonus tips right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings on this website in just one day. Now, I'll give you one more secret tip. Nobody else seems to be talking about this, and if you do this on this website, it will make you hundreds of dollars. Now you can look at the leaderboard again to see who the top earners are and how much money they have made. Most of these earnings, about 80%, come from commissions for referring people to the site. So you can be one of the top earners on the leaderboard and get the same result by just sending people to this website. To do that, you should go to dineforum.com. This is a place where people talk about how to make money online in different ways. You can join this forum for free, and there are lots of things to do there. A lot of people post on this forum because a lot of people come here looking for free information, which brings a lot of free traffic. Now, let's say you searched, "How can I make money online?" On this platform, there are many people who ask the same question. People ask questions and look for ways to make money, as you can see. You can also see what answers other users have posted to these questions. For example, if you scroll down below, you will see a space where you can also type a response to this particular post. Here is where you'll put your Clicks referral code. You only need to keep doing this on dineforum.com to get a lot of referrals. You can just send people to this website who are looking for ways to make money online. Definitely added clicks.net. They will be grateful to you if you show them a site where they can make money online for free and just give them your referral code. It works out well for both sides. They find out how to make money and you get a referral fee. Because of this, referrals are one of the best ways to make money from ads clicks besides watching ads. The only bad thing about using this website is that you won't make enough money with these. And that means you still need more money from your site to fix the problem. Watch this video to learn how to make even more money by just watching movies.